Sorry, my brothers and sisters, the beautiful month of Ramadan has come upon us. And for many of us, my brothers, wallahi, it's unfortunate we don't know the value of this month. For many of us, the month of Ramadan has become a season. It's a month, one of the months of the year. But wallahi, my brothers, the truth about this month is a gift. It's a ni'mah. It's a blessing. To the point where Sahaba, imagine Sahaba, they would prepare for this month 5 months, 6. Then they would spend the next 5, 6 months after it crying and begging Allah Azza wa Jal that He accepts this month. This month is no ordinary month, my brothers and sisters. This is the month for every believer. This is the month of Quran. You know, my brothers, we've been fooled. Shaitan has worked so hard and he's been successful in convincing the ummah of Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wasallam that this is the month of festivals. He's convinced us that this is a festive season. He's convinced us, my brothers and sisters, that this is the month of invitations and big sufras and massive gatherings and hulu and sweets and hangouts and camel burgers and cocktails at night. I'm not saying this stuff is haram, please, I don't want anyone. Shaitan has convinced us, my brothers and sisters, that this is the month of activities, whereas in reality, this is the month of ibadah. This is the month of worship. This is the month that your soul and your heart has been crying for all year round. This is the month, my brothers and sisters, I take an oath by Allah, if you give this month its due rights, if you give this month its haqq, if you work hard in this month, wallahi, you will go from zero to hero, I promise you. Wallahi, if you give this month its rights, you will reach the stage of awliya, I promise. This is the month, my brothers, where the doors of Jannah are open and the gates of hellfire are closed. It's the month of mercy. It's the month of forgiveness. So my brothers and sisters, I do not want you to waste this month. You know, my brothers, Sahaba, while they took part in every congregational activity, there was also that personal link between them and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So just like how you come here for the beautiful Salat al-Taraweeh in Jama'ah, there should be a good half an hour between you and Allah at home personally. There has to be that connection. And this month, my brothers, I'm telling you, Allah gives. This is the month, my brothers, where every night Allah Azza wa Jal, every night in this month, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala looks down upon this ummah and He handpicks the ones that He wants and He says, you will be saved from hellfire. Hellfire has been made haram on you.